Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your display name on Grindr application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your display name on Grindr, go ahead and open up your Grindr application. The home page of Grindr application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, tap on Edit Profile. On the next page, under Display Name section, edit your name and tap on Save. This is how you can change your display name on Grindr's application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.